to manually merge in with the traffic. There we go. So in fact, actually, I can put it on, so I will put it on. It's saying I can, but no, it's not liking it. It's thinking these lines in the middle of the road that have been sort of blown over are actually, or sort of they've been covered over, is actually the middle line. So I'm going to put Autopilot back on just to see what happens and whether it decides how it's going to pick this lane now, because we are now technically gone down to a one lane that was two. No, again, this doesn't like, as soon as those white lines have not been covered over with the black tar, it doesn't work. It really doesn't work. It doesn't understand that this has been two lanes merged into one, and it's not picking up those cat's eyes either side of the road. The issue with this is if we get to a point in the future where autopilot is standard, autonomous cars are standard, it's going to have to learn how to adapt to these types of roads. When there's roadworks or when there's temporary traffic lights, it's going to have to learn that these sort of things happen. You know, the black tar either has not been rubbed off correctly, or they've not done the job properly, or they may have missed it. So it needs to learn. But the issue is, if humans are not doing their job correctly, or they're not thinking of autonomous cars in the first place, then we're always going to have this human element that's going to need to be needed into driving the cars. So there's so much that Tesla and any autonomous car manufacturer in the world is going to have to consider before making this a fully autonomous world. So this is another one where it's slowing us up as we're coming up to the top of the slip road. I think it comes off way too slow. It was trying us to do it 30 miles an hour then, which is not good at all, especially if you've got people right close behind you. Now this one would be very interesting to see how autonomous cars would do this type of road, because I can't even see myself, and there's two cars coming each way. Yeah, very deadly road here. So how autonomous car would do this would be amazing. Because I guess in a world where all autonomous cars are autonomous, probably quite easy because it'll know where the cars are. But for something like that, I mean, I couldn't see. I guess radar could work, but who knows? It might not do. So we're going back down on the M50 again.